have, please? Orange. Cotton candy fruit punch. Like coconut. Oh, they're all the same. Oh, they have the cherry blanket. Last time was the strawberry. They're $5. Oh, this Stitch. I'll take the $5 Domino's. Okay, how much is this? Is it $1? They have the outdoor pillow is cute, and this Stitch. Hello there. They have a remote control. Inflatable Stitch. They also have the adjustable headband, headphones. With shortcake. Just one. Oh, they have Gemini, $5. Oh, this is cute. $5. Ah, for 25. It's $5. How much? This is so cute. They're $5. Oh, remember that we always see this one at Dollar Tree. Oh, they have the bow. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh, this is cute. Oh, the band charm. How much? For sure it's $5. Very good again. It's only $3.50. You just need to add more charm.
Where you going?
Oh, look. There's a rainbow bride. Aww. And they also have the strawberry shortcake and the Stitch. A diner cone. Joke bag. The strawberry matching with the, oh, the power of flower. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Aww. How much is it? Isn't it cute? Where is this? Once upon a time. Oh, there's the bag. Sweet bloom. the strawberry shortcake, bento box. Hmm. Look at that. They have shower caddy, $5.55. They have dark color, white, black, the blue bag, the Barbie. It's so tiny. Is it adjustable? Oh, it's just like this. The rainbow bride, the puppy bride. This is cute. If you're looking for a new tumbler, $5.95. It says stainless, double wall, BPA free, condensation free, and also like the other one, the cherry, the butterfly, and that one. They're $5.95. And the blueberries. Stretch strawberries. Ah. I also have that. Style. This one and that's a cherry too. Lababoo. It's so cute. Strawberry shortcake. They only have almond and mini chocolate. Oh. Are they all the same charm? They're $5. Are they all the same? They also have beads. Mini clay kit. Oh, they have that. Oh. Friendship bracelet. We have the strawberry shortcake, very sweet sugar gummies.